almost alkaline. Yeah, and we almost alkaline. Yeah, that means 80 to 90% of our ingredients come off the list because we almost alkaline. Yeah, almost alkaline. Yeah. Ja Rastafaro. Blessings and wholeness, family. Welcome to Almost Alkaline Kitchen, where everything we cook is almost alkaline. That means we're going to be dealing with at least 80 to 90% alkaline ingredients, but we're not going to stress if we add a little cacao or macas or shilajit here and there to add a little extra to our meal. Today we're going to be preparing SEAMOSS, which for me is like the base of this Electric Foods ITAL high vibrational diet. And we're gonna go through a raw version of preparation, and I'm gonna give you guys 3 different methods to prepare it so you can add this nutritious food into your life on the daily. So let's get to it. All right, so here we go. We got our dried SEAMOSS right here. When you buy it, this is what it's gonna look like. Dry, crunchy, like unappealing. You wouldn't wanna eat this. But luckily, we have this here. This is the SEAMOSS that's been soaking, and we soak this for at least 4 hours. And we put some bay leaves in here, and then we also put some crystals. So here we got some quartz and some obsidian. And what we do with the crystals is we charge our water. We know the power of these crystals, so we just utilize it while we're soaking things. Why not? So I put this in everything that I soak. I put some crystals in there, but we got the bay leaf and we got the Irish moss. So this doesn't look like much, right? But this, when you soak it, comes out to all of this, right? So when you buy, say half or a pound of Irish moss, that's gonna last you a long time. So here we go, we're ready. You know what's ready when it just comes apart nice and easy? You can just break it apart, nice and soft, right? Awesome. So when we're ready, we're gonna just take the blender. We're just gonna put our SEAMOSS in the blender. Boom, that's awesome. So we're gonna save this water. This water is gonna be awesome for beauty products. It's gonna be awesome you can just sip on this. It's like an Irish moss, SEAMOSS tea. So this water is gonna be very valuable. We're gonna put that to the side and we're gonna bottle it after. But until then, we're gonna put some water, just about enough to like halfway up on the Irish moss. And that's it. Like, that's how easy it is to make Irish moss. We just put it on. Yeah! Sorry guys, I get excited when I make this Irish moss. So the Irish moss is ready now. It's like a nice thick gel. And this is gonna be the product that we use for all of our ingredients. So we're gonna go ahead, put this in a bottle and get started with our other recipes. So we're gonna get started with this delicious black rice pudding. Woo, with that baked Thai banana on top. This one's a winner. So of course we're gonna soak our grains, and we're gonna get started with our base, adding 2 tablespoons of SEAMOSS, adding double the amount of water as you did rice, then adding dates to sweetness. I put about 15 in there. Then you just let it blend up, and then it's ready to be added for the rice. So here we go with our soaked black rice. Put that in the pot, and then we're gonna add our base with the Irish moss and the dates. And then we're gonna add equal parts coconut milk as we did rice, mix it up, put it on high, and once it starts to simmer, then we're gonna turn it down to low and let it sit for about an hour and 15 minutes. And while that's happening, we have our Thai bananas that we bake for about 5 to 10 minutes. Just cut off the ends, and then boom, when they're open, they're ready to go. And ooh, look at that, nice and thick, nice and juicy. Once it's ready, just put it in your plate, then top it off with that Thai banana. And then if you like, you can put some coconut cream on top. Damn, that looks good, and it was that good. Next up, we got our teff porridge with some hemp seeds and blueberries. And of course, we got our Thai banana. Starting off, it's gonna be the same base, but since we use less, we're gonna just half the base. So 1 cup of water, 1 tablespoon, and about half the amount of dates that you did for the black rice pudding. And to show y'all how you can adjust the recipe, I added some baobab powder, some lucuma, some macas, some ground flax, some cinnamon, some moringa and tribulus powder. and then you blend that all up. And then you can mix that base with your teff grains and mix it up. If you didn't soak your teff, you're gonna have to break up those little pieces, those little chunks. But once you've broken those up, you can add some coconut milk, equal amount coconut milk as teff grains, and just keep mixing it up. The key with this teff porridge is to constantly check on it and mix it up. So every 5 minutes, let's say, just open the top, give it a little mix, and about after 15 to 20 minutes, the teff's gonna be ready. So this one's much quicker. So we're gonna take this recipe to the next level by adding about half of our teff grains into a blender and letting it blend, which is gonna add a smooth consistency. And once it's blended, we're gonna add that back into our porridge and just mix it up, let it all mix together. And woo, we got an amazing texture on this porridge. It reminds me of cream of wheat growing up, which is, you know, big time memories from my childhood. And be liberal when it comes to adding these hemp seeds, because there's about 11 grams of protein in 3 tablespoons of hemp seeds. So this turns out to be a protein rich, mineral dense breakfast or even a snack, because it's delicious. So next up we have our blueberry and Thai banana smoothie. So we add 1 tablespoon of sea moss, 3 Thai bananas, around 3 to 4 tablespoons of hemp seeds. Then we add about half a teaspoon of shilajit. And then around 1 to 2 cups of blueberries. Then we're gonna add just enough water to cover our ingredients, blend it up, and there you go. You got a nice, beautiful blueberry and Thai banana smoothie. Go enjoy this every morning. Woo, look at that color. I swear, I just love the color of this smoothie. If nothing else, that's gonna make me drink it. It's beautiful. All right, y'all, so there we have it. You now know how to prepare your SEAMOSS. Plus, you have 3 different ways for you to incorporate SEAMOSS into your meals. And these meals are amazing, delicious, but that's only like the tip of the iceberg of what we can do with SEAMOSS. Like they be making cheesecakes with it, anything you want to thicken sauces with, like I mentioned before on your face masks, on your skincare products. There's just so many possibilities with SEAMOSS, but if nothing else, just remember to get SEAMOSS into your meals. You need to take some SEAMOSS, because SEAMOSS is looking at building our system up from the inside out. Dr. Sebi would fall on his knees to prove the point of how SEAMOSS just fortifies and strengthens our system.
That's SEAMOSS.
Strengthens our bones. So we're used to protein shakes, but no protein shakes. Get you an Irish moss, a SEAMOSS shake, and that's gonna help with your recovery. That's gonna help we get nice and strong, all right? So much love to y'all. Thank you for joining me in Almost Alkaline Kitchen, where we're almost alkaline, but we're still 100% delicious. So thank you for tuning in. Like, comment, and subscribe, and share with some people who need to learn about the SEAMOSS, all right? Ja Rastafaro. We almost alkaline. Yeah, we almost alkaline. Yeah, we almost alkaline. Yeah, we almost alkaline. Yeah.